Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and get Bohemian shirts in Berry Avenue. So if you want to give your Berry Avenue avatar a chic and effortless Bohemian style, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find and get the Bohemian shirts. So first, you can just go straight to the avatar menu. Click on the second options in here, and then you can just search for Bohemian as the keyword here at the search bar. Just search for Bohemian, and then you'll find lots of Bohemian style shirt that you can try on. Here you can just choose which one that you think fits with your style or you prefer the best. Okay, you can just try it on and choose the one that you like the most. Okay, I think I like this ones right here, the one that I tried before. And then you can also just combine it with shirt, sorry, pants, or maybe a skirt that you want. Let's say I'm going to just combine it with skirt. You can just choose which one. Let's try if there's a Bohemian skirt or here. Okay, this one's right here. Okay, so this completes the Bohemian look. You can also try to put on some accessory if you like it. You can tap on done after that. And this is the Bohemian shirt. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.